Good morning, afternoon, at evening. Nasaan pa man kayo mga tagapanood? Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat mga suki naming tagapakinig. Ayos tayo mga tagapanood po natin. Meron naman tayong, this is our Skip Bow full episode 12. And nakarating na pa tayo ng ikalabing limang videos na po tayo ngayon. So, ngayon po, we have episode 12 pa nating Skip Bow full episodes. So, full episode 12 na po. So, nung previous game po natin, we have 2 rounds and the player 2 wins. So, naka 2-0 pang ating games po tayo. Player 2 wins nung 2-0. So, kayo naman po, we have episode 12 pa tayo. Let's play. Maglaro tayo nating one game ulit sa ating card na Skip Bow card game. So, this is our episode 12. So, bago pa natin mag-deal ng ating cards, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more YouTube videos. Para meron pa tayong mga upload po tayo ngayon sa ating YouTube channel. Be sure na click na rin po ang inyong notification bell para lagi po kayo updated sa mga susunod pa nating mga video. So, shuffle natin ang baraha po natin for more para maghalo-halo po ang ating cards, mga baraha. Okay. So, na-shuffle na po natin ang deck. So, let's deal 5 cards to each player. 5 stockpiles. So, sa atin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, the opponent, 5 cards din sa kanyang stockpile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let's deal 5 cards to each player. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So, lagyan natin dito ang ating draw pile sa gilid para pangbunutan natin mamaya. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have ang kalaban po ay meron siyang stockpile na simula sa 2. Then we have skippable cards. So, any number of skippable cards. So, let's play this. This is 1, 8. So, we have 2 dito. 1. So, meron tayong 1 dito. So, 1. 1. So, 2. 1 din dito. Then, we have 3. So, 2, 3, 4. Then, discard our card. 4. So, kapag diniscard natin ang last card natin sa ating discard pile, di mo na tayo bubunot and our turn. So, ang kalaban na pang titira, they have need. So, may 1 dito, kaya may 2 sila dito. So, pwede na itira to. 2. Flip the next card. 3. 9. So 4 dito. So, we have kailangan nila ng more cards pa. Kaya mag-discard nila ang kanilang 3. So, yan. Discard nila kanilang 3. Sa kanilang personal discard pile. So, we have no cards. So, let's draw 5 cards in our draw pile. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 5 na dito. So, 5. Then, meron tayong 1 dito ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if kapag ang barahan natin ay diniscard na, kapag diniscard natin sa building pile ang last card natin na 4, dito yan, pwede pa tayo bumunot ng 5 cards. So, ang last card dito is 3, 4. So, pwede nila rin i-4 to. So, 5. So, 5. So, 3, 4, 4, 5. So 6, 7, 8, 7. So, we have no playable cards. 4 yan. So, itong last card natin kanina is 5, 6. So, 5 kanina yan. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we have no playable cards. So, ang last card din dito is 4. So, we have to discard our 4 dito. So, ang kalaban ay bubunot ng 1 card. So, 8. Pwede nilang itirang kanyang 9. 9. Then 2. 2. So, they have skippable card. So, they can play the 1. Skippable card is 1. 2. They have last card. 9. So, 4. So, they discard their 5 here. They discard par. So, 4. So, okay. 9. We have to draw 4 cards. Then, meron tayong 1 dito. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have 7 dito. So, 4. So, we have to play this card. Parang last card. So, 5, 6, 7. The next card. Ang last card dito is 5. So, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, discard ulit tayo ng 1 card which is 10. So, the opponent draws 1, 2, 3. So, dalawang kanyang bubunot. So, they have last card. So, yan. So, 9, 7. So, they can play the 8, which is skippable card. 7 kanina rito. So, 8, 9. So, the player 2 wins again. So, we have more cards. We have more, meron pa tayong dalawang baraha dito na hindi pa natin naitira. So, player 2 wins. So, magkita-kits na naman tayo sa next episode po natin, which is episode 13. So, magkita-kits pa tayo dyan sa episode na yan. Huwag niyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po mga tagapanood po natin at nakaabot na pa tayo ng 700 plus views. Then, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YT channel. Skip full episodes for more videos to upload. Also, click the notification bell for more videos para marami pa tayong updates sa ating YT channel. Thank you for your support and God bless us all. Magkita-kita pa tayo sa next episode, which is episode 13. Bye-bye!